Here we are again. Meet the new giant bike TCX Advanced Pro Zero Force 2020 year edition. When you're launching an attack, chasing the brake or railing turns in sketchy cyclocross conditions, every advantage counts. Pros settle for nothing less than perfection, and this is the machine that meets their demands. The TCX Advanced Pro features a superlight advanced grade composite frame that's handcrafted with race-proven geometry and asymmetrical chainstays for optimal power transfer. The innovative diffused composite seatpost, first pioneered for this very bike, adds compliance without adding weight, so you can pedal smoothly no matter how rough the course.